You've been lied to about what power looks like. You think the most powerful force in your life is gravity, the giant that holds the moon in orbit and keeps your feet glued to the ground. Gravity is a weakling. That tiny spark you feel when you touch a doorknob in the winter? That is a display of power so extreme it makes the gravitational pull of the entire Earth look like a joke. Think about this. The entire planet Earth, 6 sextillion tons of rock and iron, is pulling down on a single scrap of paper with all its might. But you rub a balloon on your hair, create a tiny bit of static, and lift that paper up. With less electricity than a penny can buy, you have just defeated the gravity of an entire planet. Scientists have a way to describe this difference. The electrostatic force is so much stronger than gravity that numbers almost stop being useful. The gap between them is so vast our brains were never built to truly understand it. This isn't a small advantage, it's domination. We call it static because it sounds harmless. It's not. Electrostatics is the force that rips electrons away from atoms. It's the raw energy behind lightning, and the discharge so violent it reaches temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Every time you hear that little snap on a carpet, you're witnessing a miniature lightning strike. You're touching the same physics that shatters trees and melts sand into glass. But here's the part that truly changes how you see reality. You only exist because of this force. Your atoms are not held together by gravity. They are held together by electrostatic attraction between protons and electrons. When you sit in a chair, why don't you fall straight through it? It's not because the chair is solid. Atoms are almost entirely empty space. You don't fall through because the electrons in your body are violently repelling the electrons in the chair. You are literally floating on a cushion of invisible electricity. Physical touch is an illusion. For centuries, we treated this force as an annoyance. Today, engineers are harvesting it. Triboelectric nanogenerators, like tiny devices that pull usable energy from your clothes, your footsteps, even the motion of your body. Soon, the static you used to ignore will power medical implants, sensors, and devices you haven't even imagined yet. We spend our lives chasing big power, dams, engines, nuclear plants, but the real power is the invisible glue holding every molecule of your body together. This isn't a cosmic accident. It is a masterfully tuned system, a signature of a great creator who built a universe where the smallest snap of a finger contains more power than the weight of the world.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science videos.